Mortals, hear me, for wisdom flows from experience, a lesson on embracing both the journey and its destination. Life's pursuits often fixate upon the destination, the summit to be reached, the goal to be attained. But in this relentless pursuit, the journey, rich with lessons, often slips by unnoticed. The journey is the crucible in which one's character is forged. The trials, the struggles, the unexpected joys, all significant chapters within the tale of one's life. A warrior's strength is not solely defined by reaching the end, but in the wisdom gleaned along the way, the patience learned in waiting, the resilience forged in adversity. Each moment is a teacher, imparting invaluable lessons that shape us. Lessons of courage, sacrifice, and humility. Mortals, the destination may be the prize, but the journey is the sacred tapestry upon which our stories are woven. In savoring every step, every hardship, and every triumph, one discovers the true essence of existence, a symphony of experiences that mold us into formidable warriors capable of conquering any fate. Embrace the journey, mortals, for within its folds lie the hidden treasures of wisdom and self-discovery. Look not just to the horizon, but relish the path that leads you there. Let the journey be your mentor, guiding you towards the destination while enriching your spirit and soul.